how it came about.
Aha.
How I came about?
Because clearly, without that one, you can't
the point
do the
is,
Java.
the point is, Nana was asking where from that greater than, less than.
Exactly.
Okay.
Yeah, so
Okay.
I think
No problem.
you have to know where that greater than, less than.
I understand, but you know,
that is it.
Let me explain to you. Let me explain to you. It's okay. It's okay. I understand. So this is just HTML syntax. Okay, it's HTML, and what I can say about this. Let me delete this one. Let me comment this so that it will be very easy for you. Okay, let me delete it at all. Let me take everything out. So that
Take
will be very
everything
simple.
out. Yeah. Then you know, said this and that and that.
Okay. Let me even take this one out. Let me take this one out. I think it will be very simple for you. This is it. Even let me just cut this one out. That's it.
Okay.
I think. Okay. So maybe Nana want us to learn about HTML elements. Okay. There's something we call HTML elements. Okay. For every website, for every page, you need HTML element. So this is the HTML body. Whatever web page that you open, it falls within these two things. It falls within HTML, then you close it. So you open. Have you seen that there's one line here, one forward slash here?
Greater than or less than.
That's right. So everything happens within these two things. So this thing's supposed to be in your head. HTMLs, then you close it. I don't know if I'm making sense. So whatever you type between these lines, supposed to be an HTML element. And this is one of the HTML elements. This one is supposed to be one. This is one of the HTML elements. Anytime you open, you close it. Anytime you open elements, you close the element. That's why the first one is open. HTML element open. And this is HTML. You close it. And I open one, H1. Then I close it by H1. It's one of the elements. So you need to learn one by one each element and what we use the element for. So I didn't want to bore you with these HTML elements. I wanted us to wait.
I think it's very necessary because basically, will be any idea about this HTML. Yeah. So before we have to start from the basics. Before you write a script, you have to open
from the scratch.
If I understand you correctly, what you said that HTML no first one out the greater than and the less than HTML now actual shame no. And then I just say it's opened.
That is the first tag.
And
for the
and
whole
that one I can see say
the close.
Greater than and I'm saying is it backslash? Forward slash. HTML. Why the backslash na say hono? I know that just say it is closed.
That's right. It is closed. Yeah.
Without it, without the slash now, it will still look like the first one, which is
exactly. It will looks like you are opening another HTML.
Yeah, because against the law. Differentiating the first one and the last one
from the second one. Okay. All right.
Exactly. So this is HTML elements. So everything HTML element is supposed to be inside this HTML tag. Okay.
Okay.
So I can go ahead and explain the next one to you, right? Okay. So now you understand. Okay, let me clear these guys. These ones are not important. Okay, from this tag. So in between this HTML open and close tag, we have header. I don't know if you've seen header. There's another one called header here. Have you seen this header? And it's being closed. It's being closed down here. Okay, so this one too is another element. We call it header element. HTML header element. I hope that one is clear. And within the header, we have a title. Have you seen the title? That one too is open and close.
Okay.
Have you seen open and close?
Question.
Okay.
You go back to class one.
Go back.
When you say header, what does it mean?
Header means every web page has a header. Okay, for instance, let me open a web page here.
So, konga.com hona ya cho konga
konga.
Exactly. That's right.
Okay. Then and carry on.
Share. I was here carrying away and went to
question.
Wait, in the header and close. Into anything within that way, you know.
Yeah, everything's supposed to happen within this HTML open and close tag. Then within it, we have body, we have header, we have title, and we have even more of it. But basically, just put header, body, and title in your head for now.
As a ultra letter, no.
Yeah, as a ultra letter, no. Yeah.
Okay. In this ultra be within the body now. I say it should be between body open and close.
Exactly.
Header, open and close.
Exactly. Everything concerning header.
And within the title, yes, I will open and close.
Exactly, for title.
Right.
So if you look at what I've already done, you see, this is my title, JavaScriptEvenGrandma. That was what I put in. But Nana asked me to delete it and start afresh. So if I save it now, our new header will change to what?
Documents.
No, document is the title. Have you seen the title here? Or you can't see the other screen. Oh my goodness.
The bill.
Code so okay. I think somebody can somebody we say screen when you can share screen. Where is it? I think this.
You see my screen.
That be you see me on the screen.
Yeah.
Me what? You see me on the screen.
Wow, screen, yeah.
Okay.
Tim some here H1 tag view as is here.
This is here we enable.
Yeah.
Oh, okay.
Me person come enable tuning and me enable tuning anka this side like you code wa ha na appear wa ha. I think there's a way.
Yeah, run it what I see.
That's right. Hey, that's right. I refresh now. I populate one. You say here the welcome share is here. Oh, let me save here. It will be here, but you don't see what I typed. It's wrong. It's wrong.
Welcome.
Yeah.
Who welcome you?
But we're supposed to have the two screens so that.
HTML side on coding side on.
No be other one.
Debbie. I say who screen tuning now the same time. So
I was saying two no there. So yeah, we na play.
Yeah, let me do something. Let me see what I can do. Yes, I didn't go some. Yes, I'm fine.
Now,
because we're supposed to share.
So share screen now, and it's supposed to. All is supposed to appear.
I think I'm supposed to share my desktop instead of.
Because Edna Johnson the answer is in who desktop.
But as I may
share down who desktop and all.
As I may share one by one, but you're supposed to share. I don't know how I make my share tuning now. May find a solution. I don't know. What ones do I say? What's the position screen? Okay, I'm saying make my this here. I say who tuning number.
Yeah.
Who tuning
Okay, wait.
Oh my god, mom said my yard.
We Brunina head at that. What was that kind of number?
Chairman Willie.
So I think it's cool. So we said this is the body. Within the body, see what we have. Within the whole body. So this side, I think said which you said two ways. So there's another two here. Good. And then skills neighbor. Where are you?
Two way.
And the empacho who
and your man can.
When was it? I see I'm a this side.
Yeah.
This side.
Blue line.
I'm saying a page in
yeah. Okay.
So that represents the body. Okay. and a represented body. No? So whatever you type in the body, which is here, whatever you type in this body, so let's change the text to JavaScript EvenGrandma, right?
Yeah.
But now, sir, we are close to H1 we greater than less than.
We say no. Okay, when you say H1 we header 1, your H2. Let me put H22. You will see the difference. H2. We have it up to H5. Okay. Welcome. So you see the difference. I think I will be able to do this. Also, okay. You see the difference. You see the H1 is bigger than the H2. Okay. Have you noticed that H1 is bigger than H2, right?
Yeah.
Okay, so let's make H3. So it goes like that up to H4. H6.
Okay.
So this is H3. You see that that one too be smaller. You see how it is. So it just go down like that. So if H1 is okay for you, use H1. So let's see this conga thing. I don't know. We don't know what.
All right. Question.
Go
back to if you conga.
Okay.
EvenGrandma into a look, right? All right. We know page now will be this year.
Yeah.
Where the enya who could
that was what I was about to show you, how you will link all the three. But Nana says he wanted to know every syntax. That's why I started teaching you HTML syntax and HTML element. How did we link the three files? They see, I shifted from JavaScript to HTML. It's not bad. We can learn the two together, which is very good. So we have to go very, very low, like we are doing, very, very low, to understand every syntax. So it's like today we are learning HTML instead of JavaScript. It's okay. You'll get back to JavaScript.
Okay.
So the title, have you seen the title document? So we can change the title.
How it's appearing on the web page.
Okay, we should link them. That's just a linking. So we are only linking there. It's just a linking. It's nothing. So let's clear.
It's something.
Who said because it's something? It's because of that 7-hour installing on machines, you know. Okay, so whatever you type here will populate. So this one is like a, I don't want to call it a compiler because it's not a compiler. I said whatever you type on the page will appear on your live server. This is the live server.
Another end product.
That's right, that's the end product.
The IP.
IP where server IP like a friend development server, a package whatever you develop will appear over here. Okay. Normally when you build a website, you take it to different server so that you can have it, people can have access to it on the website. I mean on the public website. I mean public domain.
General.
That's right, not a general. But we are in the development environment. So what should happen is you're supposed to have your own small server. That's right, your own small server. So this IP is just a server and a port, but it's a small file within this program, which will help you run your
generate
as if you're on the web. It will help you run the whatever code you are writing.
So that whatever you do, you'll be able to see how
exactly. And it's going to be the same way when you publish your website.
Yeah.
It's going to be the same thing when you publish your website. Okay. Okay. So this HTML, as we are typing, we don't need to link it to. If you want to link it to CSS, this is how you go about it. I mean, let me show you how you can link this one to CSS. So don't forget the name of the CSS. CSS is what? Styles for CSS.
Yeah.
Okay. So if you want to link it, it's supposed to be within the header. You can put it down here, but it's advised to link it up here.
Okay.
Okay. So then I will tell you, let us know the details, everything. So
Oh dear.
Well, let me go off my. Honestly, today I didn't. I mean, say anyway, so JavaScript.
Teacher, yeah. May I call JavaScript name? Say step by step.
Yeah, that was what I was thinking. Say bit macro, but I supposed to set it up.
Because you have variables.
Yeah, yes.
One is debate.
That was what I was saying, Senka. We should go to that one and learn that one. Later, you do the linking and start working on the another person.
Oh, what you mean? I'll come back. Say why be a man? Maybe worry.
I click.
Yeah, I click. Man, who the I will say me who because first one there. The who you understand? I didn't have a go.
Now I want to remember. Hey, Tim said, "Make us say, don't worry. We will fix it.
You may do.
Hey, like you may do one. He said, I was saying
at least many idea be about what I'm seeing.
Okay.
And to honest a better, I know what it means, kaka.
Okay.
In some way. And to me, what you wanted us to do today.
Okay.
Because me who answer what type of shortcut I will go with. Let that way equal to me. I will go and say.
Me type of shortcut be say doc.
I
touch it tab. What touch? It was a touch it tab no, and the bar into where basic HTML tags are amount in the body.
Okay.
So you see, we have the header, we have the body, and we have the syntax, the HTML open and close tag. Then we have the header open and close tag, body open and close tag. That's how it's supposed to be. But everything's supposed to be within the HTML. That's the basic thing. So once you have this idea, I think we are good to go. Everything's supposed to be HTML open and close tag. I think they're cool.
Oh yeah.
Okay, so today the name of our focus is supposed to be on the JavaScript today. So we have a file called script.js. Okay. So we want to link the script.js inside HTML so that whatever we type in script.js, we will be able to see it in the HTML. Other than that, whatever we will type will not be meaningful to us. Okay. Let's try and go very, very low so that at least we can get something. So if you want to just stopping, so I stopping on. What is it? Okay. So there is a tradition that if you want to link your script, your JavaScript to your HTML. Yes, you always do it down here. You always do it down there at down the body closing tag.
Okay.
So how do you do it? That one too is a tag. So we have script. You just type script. Have you seen it? And you close it.
Yeah.
See, once you close it, it automatically add this one to it. By the help of this.
Sir, close, you know. Yeah. I don't see you type it. And
yes.
A
bar is automatically because of VS Code. VS Code, it will say, okay, you want to type a script. Okay, I'll give it to you.
Yeah. Okay. Obeying number.
And also maybe less than script. Okay. So when you have script now, I type tab on the keyboard. Then I close it. Yeah, tab. So once I close it, it gives me the end. The same thing applies to the H. So I want to do a header. So header one, close it, automatically give you. Okay. Same thing. Title. So the same thing. Title. Okay. Once you select title, you tab, you close it, it ends for you.
Okay.
So let me take everything out.
All right.
And let's concentrate on the script. So this is the script. Okay, don't worry about some of the syntax. It will come automatically. I'm trying to locate JavaScript file, this file. I don't know. Let me use that pencil. I don't know if you can see. You can see, right?
Yeah.
You can see. Let me use the pencil. I'm trying to link this guy in here. So you see, it's in the same folder. I'm trying to link it to the file so that the two will be one. So whatever we type here will be seen by HTML. Whatever we type in HTML will be seen by the JavaScript.
Okay.
You understand?
Yes.
So that's why this is source. We call it source. You understand?
Mm-hmm.
Okay.
Yeah. How do I clear this guy?
So now you're typing the code to
link it. Yeah. Okay. Yeah. So I said source. Then I'll put dot / You see, automatically it pops. It gives me everything in that folder. So we see we have the styles.css. Then we have the JavaScript. Once I touch that JavaScript, that's it. It's being linked. Okay. So now your script is being connected to your HTML file.
Go back to the clear linking.
Okay, my clear linking. Okay, it's the same thing. So you just type your script.
But first, type a script.
Script, yeah.
No close. I press it tab.
Yes.
Then not a you in about.
That's right. So what do you? The script has a source. So the source is what you type src.
Or press space.
Yes, space. So it's within.
It's within the script.
Exactly.
And greater than.
That's right. Over there, not here.
Okay.
Not here. But rather
it's inside.
Inside.
The open.
Open. Okay.
All right.
Okay. So just type script. Then once you touch yeah, it will give you. Sorry, source. In the script, you tap source, which is the shortcut is src.
Okay.
So where do you want to bring that file that you wanted to connect? It's within the same folder. So you bring dot. Okay. Dot, then you forward it. Once you forward it, everything in that folder will come out.
Okay.
So let's imagine that we have it in a different folder. Let's say script 1 folder. So let's put the script inside script 1 folder. You see where the script is now? It's in a different location. And you want to connect it. So the same thing. You bring your source, okay, equals to what? There's a folder that you're supposed to go first. Dot / see the folder here. Script 1. Then inside the script 1, you see your script.
And you select it.
You select it. Yeah. It's very cool.
Very cool.
So let's put H1 here so that H1 we can have a script even. It's very cool. So you see, I'm severe, everything will come to the screen. JavaScriptEvenGrandma. So how do we know that HTML is being linked to our script? So we come back to script, okay? And since it's JavaScript, we want to use another function called console.log. This guy, which will be able to let us know everything that this console.log is for developers. It's for you. It doesn't go to the end user. So if you want to debug, if you have any issue with your program, we use this console.log to fix that issue. Okay. What about this one? Welcome. I want to check if it's working. So once I go save, we see welcome over here. Everything. That means it's linked.
Okay.
Okay.
JavaScript is linked. So whatever we will do here will be JavaScript. Now, whatever we do here will be JavaScript, and you'll be getting the results here. You'll be getting you'll be getting the results.
You're getting it where?
Here. You'll be seeing the results here.
The web page.
At the console. Because we are using the console.log to display.
Okay.
Yeah.
Okay, so you see at the console.
Yeah. And this console.log is for just developer. It's for you, not for the end user. The end user will see everything here. Okay. But what we are going to do for today, which is the JavaScript variables, you will see everything here. Okay. But if you want to give the end product to the customer or the end user, that is when they will get used. They will start using this page. I hope it's clear.
Yeah.
Okay. So we can go ahead and do something interesting. So let me clear everything. The page is fresh. So today we're going to learn something about variables. Okay. Computer, everything is variable. Most of everything in computer programming is variable. Variable is just a simple, in the layman terms, I would say variable is like we are telling computer to create a space, like a bucket, or like a box, for you to put something in there temporary, so that later, if you need it, you can just go and pick it up.
Yes.
Hello?
Yeah.
So just have the idea of a variable being a box, or being a container, or being what do you call it? A space that you are creating. You are telling the computer that, okay, this is the variable that I'm creating, a space. I need a space to put something inside. I will use it later. That is a variable.
Okay.
So in variable, we have something we declare a variable. We declare it, then you initialize it. There are two things. That you declare the variable and you initialize it. So in JavaScript, we declare a variable by using var. Then you bring the name of the variable. So let's say box. Then you bring your comma. That means this is what you've declared. You've told the computer that I want to use this box as a variable. So now the computer is okay
to pack your things inside.
That's right. So the computer is ready for you. Okay, Isaac wants to use this box as a variable. So I know I have it in my memory. So he has given you allocation of the memory that, okay, I want to use this box as a variable. In other program, if you want to create a variable like this, you need to tell the computer that the variable, you need to tell the computer the type of value you'll be putting inside the variable. Like they can ask you, you can put like int box. That's in other programming. That means you are putting integer. Okay, you're putting integer, which is what? 1, 2, 3, and all that, a number. Okay. In other programming, you put string. Okay. Then you tell them string box. Okay. That means you're putting a string inside. That's any character. It could be my name inside. Okay. But in JavaScript, we don't have such thing. We don't have to declare and tell the box that I want to put variable. I'm sorry, I want to put number. I want to put string. I want to put character. I want to put this. Everything, you can put anything in any box. So once you declare variable box, you can put any data type. You can put any data type. Unlike other programming that you have to tell them that, okay, I want to put this type of data type inside. I want to put this data type inside. I want to put this data type inside. This in JavaScript, once you declare it, you can put anything inside. Okay. So there's a keyword called var. Okay. So you are declaring box as a variable. And there's another one called let. So let box. Okay, there's another one called const. Const box. Okay. All of them has a way of using them. If you use this variable here as var box, it means everywhere in your program, anybody can have access to that file. I mean, that box. That means it's for everybody. Anywhere in the program, when you use that var keyword to initialize any variable, it means anybody, anywhere in the program, you can have access to that box. Okay. Is it Gome? Yes, that means when you use the var keyword to initialize a variable, it means that in your program, everywhere, you can have access to that box. But you will need a situation where you don't want anybody to make changes to that very box. You want whatever you put in the box will be within for a specific range. We call it scope.
So where everywhere that everywhere you are saying, which
that's right.
place?
Okay, let's say
where would they be?
That's why I'm giving you a scope. Let's say, let me give you a scope. Let me give you one typical example like this. Have you seen this bracket open and bracket close here?
Yeah.
Okay. So if I have another one here like this, okay, this one is in a big scope like this. If I go down here and I have another scope, I can still use this. Where is it? I can still access this box within here.
Okay.
You understand?
Okay.
But when I use something like cons, we're all learning this. How do I clear this one? But when I use constant, I mean when I use let keyword, or let's say use constant, I cannot access it here because it's within a scope.
Okay, so you use const box.
Yeah, we use const keyword. When you use const keyword to initialize any variable,
yeah,
that means the value over there is constant. You cannot rename it. That's for constant. And the var, you have access to it everywhere. So nobody is using var anymore. No one is, I don't think there's a program using var. Maybe for a reason, someone might use var for a reason, but I don't think I've even myself used var in any of my programming because it is easy for anybody to get access to that box. You understand? Yes. So we will see a typical example right now. Okay, so let's declare a var box. This is how we declare it. And we call something initialize. If you want to initialize it, you bring the box, then you put a value inside. What kind of value? Is it number? So you can put 20. Is the box has 20 now?
Okay.
Okay. So let me show you another fancy way of making it very easy for you. You can declare a box and at the same time put the value in. So what you have up there, what you have up there is the same as what we have down here. But this time you declare and you initialize instead of having double box.
Repeat.
Okay. This is initialization. You are initializing. You are telling the computer that I want this box to be a variable. I'll put something inside and use it later. That is what you are telling the computer. And later you say you came back and you say, okay, box, I want you to take 20 and keep for me.
Okay.
Yeah. And I'm telling you that, okay, you can do the same thing here. Okay, use this box, make it a variable. I'll put something inside, but that thing I want to put it now. This is what I'm putting inside 20. Okay. So these two lines is the same as this one line. You understand? You're going very low. Don't forget that it's JavaScriptEvenGrandma. So we have to go there again until you understand. Can I continue? Yanko.
Yes.
Say you're cool.
So the box you can put either numbers or string words or something like that.
Exactly. So we have data type. We will talk about it. We will talk about data type very soon. I want us to understand this one. Then we talk about data type and how we will initialize them. How we initialize the data type into a box. Or into a variable.
So the 20 gives you the limitation, like the limits by which
no. You're talking about something different. I know what you're talking about. You're talking about SQL characters and all that. The 20 is the value. So let's say the 20 is like the water, the amount of water you've put it into the box, or let's say amount of books or papers you've put it into the box. I don't know if it makes sense. So that is the content.
Okay.
The 20 is the content. You understand?
Yeah.
So you initialize, you tell the box that I want you to be a variable. Then I want to put this one inside by using this assignment operator. We call it assignment operator. So box is equal to 20. Okay. So if you want to know what is inside the box, that is when you use the console.log of box. Then when you save it, you will see 20 on the screen.
So if you want to know what's inside the box,
yeah, that's when you use console.log box and to tell you what is inside.
So if it is const, you use console.
The same thing. Const. The const means constant value, and you will still see the same thing. You will still see the same thing, 20. Or let's put 25. When you save it, you see 25.
Okay, so wait, the box.
Yeah.
Okay, I understand.
Okay. So you can either use the var or let or const, but we will stick to these two: let box and then the const. Okay. Okay. Around this one, I'll get error. Sure, I'll definitely get some error. Yeah, nothing shows because they don't know which of the box. So they don't know which of the box I'm referring to. I hope so you're cool. So we will stick to the const all the time. Everything that we will do, we will use the const.
And how that?
Space.
The way I that one. Many extra camera no from.
Okay.
Enter.
JavaScriptEvenGrandma. So we need to go very, very, very low. Very, very, very low. So just it's not anything. It's nothing. It's a variable. I'm creating. I want to put the value.
But I know
Okay. Where a suggestion? I think even though we do understand whatever is happening.
Okay.
But to me, I think finish page.
Program. Okay.
Yeah, so that you know, say whatever we are doing now, at the end we will arrive at.
You see, last time I can say we say now syntax here. We say you are getting used to the syntax of JavaScript. Yes. We see, I will say, the command bahasi won't be something the command bar. And when you run it without a comma, it will still work. When the comma is there, it will still work. Okay.
So you want us to understand
the syntax.
The syntax.
That's right. How variable behaves in a program. Okay. So that when we see the bigger program and we see a variable, you will not be shaking. You think, oh, okay, I know about this one. I know how variable behaves. You understand? So when you tell me to give you an end product, there's nothing like end product at this stage. You can't get end product. Yeah, you can't get it. Yeah, so but you just need to get used to the console.log, creating of boxes, putting values inside it, the type of values you are putting inside, how to make the two. Then you get used to all those things. Then when we get to a higher level, you understand.
Yeah.
Okay, so what I said?
Yeah.
Okay. So can we continue?
Yeah, let's continue.
F1.
Okay. So let's learn data type.
Okay, so the variables. So the variables are the three let, const, and var.
That's right. The declaration. If you want to declare a variable, use const. Let. Forget about the var. The var, nobody uses the var, but I don't know, but nobody uses the var for now.
We are sticking to the const.
The const. For now, we are sticking to the const. So anytime you say constant, so we can put another one, constant box 2. Then we initialize. What are we putting inside box 2? Let's say 50.
Yeah.
Then we put comma.
So if spelling or program
there be one.
I don't know. We used to say comma no. Now we use other comma no.
Like single one, we say.
Okay,
let's see how happens. It will not accept it because terminate. You call it terminate. You are telling the line that okay, ends here, don't continue. Ends here, continue.
Yeah. Okay.
So let's see if you want to see what is inside box 2. What do you put? You put box 2 here. You see what is inside box 2.
Maybe I say spelling area now.
Box winner. You can choose any name. Today we will talk about the rules. The naming of variable. Okay. Let's talk about the naming of variables. There's some keywords that you cannot use. There's some words you cannot use. Some words like if. You cannot say constant if equals to 20. If is a keyword, so you cannot use it. You understand? That's why you see that's giving you some red lines. Have you seen it?
Okay.
So you cannot use names like that. You cannot use name like date. Date is a function inside the program. Okay, date is okay because it's a function, you can allocate it. Okay. You cannot use something like else. But you don't need to worry about all this thing because once you use the keyword and it's not good, the program will tell you that no, this is not good. Have you seen it? You cannot use this. You cannot use this one as a variable. You understand? You cannot use it. And you cannot use something like my space name as a variable. No, it doesn't work like that. Everything's supposed to be together, one word.
Okay. Where's my underscore name?
Yeah, between the underscore, Abba. And you see that it's accepted.
Shouldn't be.
Yeah, but you can't start something like this one. My name is not correct. Basically. You can't add. You can't begin it with a number. But once you put a alphabet, it's accepted. So A1, my name, is accepted. But let it be a habit of giving a good name, okay, so that you know exactly what you're doing. My box, it's very meaningful. Or let's say total, okay, or something like constant average is equals to 30. You understand? Names like that, okay. Constant person, right? Person is equals to William. Okay. So you see, I put quotes within William. It tells you that William is a string. So that is what we're about to learn here. You see, we have strings, we have boolean, we have number, and we have object, and we have null, and we have undefined. So undefined is what I want to show you, since it's the first one. So when you declare a variable, okay, like this, without anything, okay, once you console log it, let's console log box without a value. Let's see what we will get. Nothing. It gives us nothing.
Undefined.
So let's put something. Let's put an empty something. We declare it. We make it empty. Let's see what is inside. It gives you nothing. Have you seen it? Nothing. Okay. So let's declare it and put William inside. We get William. Okay. I hope it's cool. Let's declare it and put this one. Boolean. Boolean means true or false. You understand? So let's see what is inside Boolean. Boolean is true. Let's put false and let's see. What is inside is false. I hope it's clear. Yeah. Object, we will talk about object later because that one we need, that is what we need most of the time, which is Very, very important. We talk about objects very later. If you talk about object now, you'll be confused. I don't want us to confuse ourselves with objects.
Yes, leave that one.
Yeah. But for now, understand this one, string, which is character, which characters or numbers. So these two, numbers and strings. So this is typical example of a string. Putting my name or putting Kofi. The string. Okay. So what is inside person is what we put person. Okay. So I share your screen. Let's practice something over there. Then we continue.
It's almost 12.
It's almost 12. Okay, that means you're almost done. So share your screen.
Okay.
Share your screen quickly. Let me stop my screen and share your screen. Let's do something from there.
Everything.
Yeah, share your hey. So I don't know how you do that everything. No, that thing what I did. You share your screen because you will link that. So you make it like this. Minimize it, make it smaller, shrink it to the other side. Yes. I don't know how. I think say over cut down on BB. Maybe how I may number. Because screen, on multiple advanced sharing. Now what call.
I think so on your top right, I'm more view review. Yeah or no?
Maybe I know for code no. I person can share. I'm saying also about link it. Person link HTML to CSS no. Sorry, HTML to JavaScript so that we can have the what I did on my own. So that
okay.
Okay, I will say over screen one now call advanced. I'll be portion of screen. Okay. Screen. Oh, portion of screen, yes. It is a green thing, but no what drag green thing. I'm gonna cover screen in that's all.
Portion of screen.
Yeah. Now what stretch it? It's a green thing. There will be some green window. Now what dragging a cover screen in
Aba.
You who code nipe. My code ninja one side. My code ninja one side now. Now you're linking. We are linking.
And I'm out remote access not just a
Okay. So which one mouse accessor?
Yeah.
Yeah.
Okay. So machine game say slow. If you mind,
but I'm trying.
Okay.
Yeah, green winning.
Yeah, who he was screens one? Can who be on the screen so?
Yeah.
I'm
so I share you.
No, what did I say? Load the hand.
Okay. So pull up a side.
Help pull up the side.
Green winning, Yana.
Who code knowing? Who's a higher different? Who VS code knowing?
Okay, but I'm control.
Okay. That's what's zooming in too much and I'm going.
Okay,
yeah.
Oh, okay.
Bring with our class.
Okay, then cover screen now. Exactly.
Yeah.
Exactly. So that we have your. My way more one side. My way more has it. My way more has it. What do you type in Canada? I don't want you to start dog. Need to here. So about. Type a dog.
I feel link and let's go.
Do the dog. Let's see.
Dog.
So you do the linking for us to see. We always do the linking down here. So we type script.
Scripts.
But for less than number first, type it less than script.
The mouse in it, the keyboard in it.
Script less than number first.
Okay.
Script. And what actually tab no? And why is so close no? Greater than. That's right. It's automatically about. Okay. Now inside the script no.
Inside the script.
Yeah. Space source SRC. Enter. Use the tab. Use the tab. Now if you want a dot, that means / and then we select it. Script.
I select the script.
Yeah.
I just type script.
Oh, select it. I don't know. So who's
case sensitive.
Exactly. Case. There be say whatever case sensitive. Yeah.
Okay.
Go back now.
So how do I select it?
When you bring the dot / it will come automatically. Dot /
Dot /
Yeah. Let me say by down. Script. Script no yeah. Yeah. Okay. If one H1 the shared body into main display or page one here.
If I share
body. So all the time less than H1, yeah.
Less than H1, sorry.
Or H1.
H1.
Yeah. Tab.
Yeah, done.
Can tab younger about one tab in Teams and close it. You need to close it yourself.
Okay.
Close it. Okay. So inside you put whatever you put there will be at the web page. So you can put welcome, home, or anything. Yeah.
Oh.
Hold on.
Mavis Bipon.
Who live server or down one man? Down also who live server do or taskbar on a code now on a down.
Me machine one.
There be a code here. I head down and see down on a do who live server do. Anyway, who live server do with my so any live go live any.
Okay, go live way.
Go live yeah.
I click it.
Yeah, that's all it to load. Exactly.
Welcome.
It is shrinking enough a sharp side. So yeah, whatever you code here will be here. Now close other page now. A full better side. Shrinking here.
Yeah, man.
That's right.
Okay,
some person reduce font size now and then H2, H3, H4, up to 6. That means we reduce size now. A lowercase. More close, you know.
The further it goes, you know,
reduce font size now. Yeah.
Okay. H2. No, I type welcome, man.
Whatever you wanted to type, just type whatever you want to type. I love JavaScript, yeah.
I'm a save.
No, save it. To save it automatically, you know. Our top. And I just all dragging the down. Okay, code ni na down. To patch VS Code ni down. Like the whole.
Who control mouse?
My Jim. File save. Open a shortcut no. We are not a shortcut no. And save all into a control KS. The next time I switch. That's sure.
About double.
So because who paste you hot double.
Yeah.
Okay.
That's right. You see, I was say. Okay, so now to see how person confirm, you say, JavaScript now I'll link it to now. Go to JavaScript file.
JavaScript file.
So or tab order. What be that crap? With JavaScript no file there.
Yeah.
Script.js no.
JS no. Yeah.
Script.js right side.
Okay. What type of name order down? And I mean, I call you for front.
Yeah,
I'm call you for yeah. Be audio. Okay. You know, I said to me inspect no. I was saying to be call right. Be right. Okay. No call inspect. Inspect element. And you go to your console.
Okay.
So whatever you type here, you will see it here. That's all.
Console no. Who use no kwana
who developer and kwana who use.
Who developer? Yeah, developer. Right.
The const and before something before const.
No const. Whatever you wanted to bring, whatever variable name you wanted to use. So constant, then the variable name, then whatever you want to put inside, you use assignment operator, which is equal sign, whatever you want to put inside. Total. Or
is equal
any value you want. If it is a string, you put quotes. If it is a number, you leave it like that. That means you are putting a string. Yeah. That's
okay.
Right. That's right. So once you so if you want to see let this one be your habit, termination. Let it be your habit.
Termination, okay.
Terminate it. Yeah.
Terminate it with what?
Comma.
Okay.
Yeah.
Okay.
So if you want to see the value inside total, what do? You console.log total.
Okay.
So go down. Console. It's about that dot log. Then bracket open, bracket close, because it's a function. Then inside you put total inside. It's about the intelligent near Juma. So intelligent work. So once you see it, just pick it. Then once you save it,
and I save it.
Yeah, you save it, you see it there.
Save all.
Yeah.
Oh, good.
That's right. Create another variable and make it basket. Put banana inside. Then create another variable, make it basket 2. Put cassava inside. Lowercase. You I don't know how you use what is quotation
string.
Yeah, string, exactly. That's correct. Exactly. Banana.
And I said banana.
And one better be a banana.
If I want to see it. Console.
Let comment be your habit. It doesn't do anything, but let it be your habit. That's all. It tells you that the code has ended. That's all.
Okay.
Create another basket. Create another basket and put cassava or whatever.
Beneath it.
Yeah, few
so let me.
Oh, okay. I'm home. So okay. Anyway, send me here. Me automatic one. Me refi.
And why? Because I say me be boom one now.
Yeah, Wednesday.
Correct. You know.
One terminate.
1 terminate.
Man, your habit. It doesn't do anything.
Never terminate.
So many your habit.
Yeah, we total order.
Oh, total order. If you see how far say what create banana and what create cassava. What is it?
You see an amount in figure. I don't know.
Exactly. You can share way more. Quote. You can share double quote inside. So you can console log one by one. You can console log basket. You can console log full staff. You can console log amount. But you can do all together too, so that it will speak for you. I love banana and cassava.
So how do you do that one?
We call it string concatenation. I'll show you that one. I don't know if it's
now let's do the basic.
Yeah, do the basics, that's right. So log one.
Right?
Yeah. So you save it. Okay, you want to do all together. Okay, no problem. So about that, with my touch it tab no. So who's a populate here? With my touch it tab no. Yeah. So once you save it, all the logs will come.
Okay. Then I save.
Yeah, you save.
Okay.
So you have banana, cassava, then 50.
I could call market banana and cassava only 15 naira.
It's Upa pretty total. Men for value bien share inside. Create obet ma clear be no create total. On for value bien share. No create sales 1, value shame. Sales 2. Now the value shame. Now over console the log now.
But you must say M4 for the why.
Oh, okay. Oh, okay.
I do not.
It's also for us. I can't understand.
I do not.
But I say so far.
Yeah, yes, I know. You have 1 minute
remaining. Dial *606# to board airtime from MTN or dial *904*8 directly from your bank.
And it will be summarizing my
practice it.
But we'll be summarizing in
Now that's your screen.
That's summarizing. Now can summarizing. Now on the screen. But a bit more summarizing.
I mean anything.
No, summarize the issue enough for about variable. No.
Oh, that.
Yeah, so with my screen. Yeah.
I'm saying, may I come here with a question? Be my minimum. Me person me chumo gwechi.
Bisa. I can answer. That's a Christmas answer. And that's with me answer.
The one to me link
I call
web page, you know.
Crypt.js.
I call man. I say.
Okay. Ubi. Oko HTML now.
Link ne call to me.
I bet my terminating say we call it terminate. You just hold control, then / at the back of, I don't know, at the back of whatever comment episode money. Into you share commenting, so I don't know, you call comment my show. Quick one. Person commenting we not we show. You just click at the back, control /
Okay, I say we.
I say comment SQL, but SQL they say you dot. So I say into commenting no.
Since I not or say
comment when I am now how we to submit my criteria. The first one is not working. We can do it.
In the HTML, put us when you create put us in HTML.
You always link it at the bottom. Always link your JavaScript at the bottom of the HTML.
Okay. Oh, yeah, clear.
Yeah.
To link to a script.js in here, okay. But then to display on the web page, you know.
Oh, you don't need to link it. Automatically, once you are typing on the JavaScript and you click on your server.
How do you get this address?
Into where when you are. Oh, whatever my way. Sorry.
I'm saying, oh no, welcome. I love you. I love you. Okay.
Yeah. Script SR.
Why don't you close it so that automatically you get it inside?
SR. Okay. Yeah.
So that it will be very easy for you. You close it, everything will come ahead. Then you enter space, source.
SRC.
Once you hit tab, it will come. Once you hit tab, that's right.
SRC. Then you enter
the location.
Dot.
The / everything will come.
Script about one. And so
yeah, me who.
And to click this one. Then what about over down?
Okay.
Page in it
go
down.
Live.
Go live. Yeah, go live.
Go live.
Page in it down. I mean, know. And then you
go live.
So you are already live.
You are already live. Okay, you're already live on port 550. How about my close? Exactly.
Okay.
No sign save here.
Save.
No save or
I said go live, but who me page you know?
Go live number. Which my right click you answer.
Chubano.
Udia say go live number. Which my right click you also text no so.
Okay. Me right click or
HTML file also. HTML file.
Okay, HTML on the
And you know make HTML na or left one make
top left. Top left.
Yeah.
Top left.
Top left.
Yes,
Fold and inside. Fold and inside.
Okay, wait.
They all side no
left.
Side.
Left side.
Exactly.
Yeah.
Right click.
Right click.
Open with live server.
Okay.
Maybe you know.
That's right.
Okay.
Time go by, right?
All right.
Yes, explain this out. We no money and I said, Chris, I'm saying Chris with my explainer my answer there.
Chris, what I say?
Yeah, what I say?
Sir, who imagine HTML no any
JavaScript.
Yeah, JavaScript now. Whatever you put there in the inside the script,
Yeah.
That is what appears on the page.
Exactly. But for now, we did it at the console log for the developer side, not to.
Yeah. Not for the user,
not
for developer.
Yeah, for the developer for now. Until you use console.log. But I saw between explaining we answer variables na issue. And that's what you explain.
VAR for it opens it for the user to also have access.
Yeah, the user,
The user can have access. In a constant near constant. Who developer no kwana ultimate in your access.
There be. You see, VAR no is very low in security. So anywhere in the program you can have access to the VAR.
I don't know. Press the can, not press the can, but
okay, I know can be say end user name developer.
I say low security now.
I said low security. Yeah, very low security.
But no, somebody can have access to whatever you have
in the program. Yeah, anybody at all can just come and make changes. Have access to
it. Constant, nobody outside can make any changes.
Yeah, you can make changes. Yeah, it's very constant. See, I could sign create another constant basket. It's not possible. The system will not allow you to create another constant basket. Because of constant, what declares a constant?
No pet.
What declares a constant? So I say you cannot
throughout your program, you can't declare.
That's right. Throughout your program, you can't declare another basket again.
Okay.
But with a var, you can still declare var. You can declare another var.
Okay.
Yeah, that's it. And then the akum.
Okay, about let no.
Oh, man, who about console?
Okay, after who said after what declare over and then we in
yeah.
So who off screen is what we in our web page now.
Yeah.
Or the console never terminated.
Yeah.
Console.log.
Yeah.
Then you put the name of the
console.log now is a debugging tool for you, the developer. I'll check your code and say Ejuma and Ejuma.
Okay. Okay.
Yeah.
Enter where's in the
Yeah.
Until to see the console, our web page or no.
Yeah.
And also over web page on where I click it.
Exactly.
Insert element.
Inspect.
I
yeah.
My computer or
console. Inspect.
Inspect elements.
Inspect element. Exactly.
Console.
Click a console.
Console
right side.
It's a good and I know when you have this. Maybe I'm quite good.
So console near Basabasa betuma a clear. Yeah,
definition. What definitions need now about no?
Yeah. Need now about. It's like say JavaScriptEvenGrandma. Very low.
I mean, it's a grammar cabin actually.
Oh, I don't know.
Eddie.
Any of what? I'm already here. Only console for Haradi. And a constant. How about I say Susaina?
So, Obianya assignment we don't practice how we use to console be creative variable. Now the variable shape no way now. We will see. Anything.
Okay.
Yeah, you're okay.
In kakra.
Yeah.
Second, recap no okay.
Okay.
I say okay and I say okay.
Okay.
Okay. So you can play with it. You know, me jam assignment back home. Amunya tamano ma yana uba ma be explain your train.
Okay.
You want my access? Okay, my access on. I'm terminating now. The info is a pretty constant value back what I see. Sorry. Constant equals to box 1. I think what I said. We have my assignment though.
Okay.
The info say what declare box what I see. And now this string has shame. Red. What I say? I know what terminating now. I know what I declare number 1 constant. Box 2. Now the yellow actually inside.
Okay.
You see, I'm a person swapping on now box 1, a be yellow, now box 2, a be red.
I mean, it's a question. Doesn't mean say actual red no. It display very sure red na.
You see how you see I'm patrol console dot log box 1. Now some console dot log box 2. Okay. We have save here.
Okay.
You see, I want to say, okay, let's give it a name so that it will be very easy. If I saw money here, you can put what we have a shall say red. That's it. What the comma bar say? They confuse you, with this. Sorry. I just want you to like. My dear, do you sense if you had it? Do you say boss red is red, boss yellow is yellow? The person will swap it. Maybe boss red is yellow, boss yellow is red.
Okay, boss red.
Yeah, boss red will be yellow, then boss yellow will be red. That's an also.
And I homework. No?
And I assignment. So how do you swap it?
Okay.
Okay.
Obey within the console.log. No?
The same thing. So why now? Say I am now.
So you do it, you swap it within the console.log.
That be no swap here. You see, I said what creative basketball. We say whatever say mama cap me and say oh. I say me the chalk agum I say me the ink agum. And a person with the ink if you say baha. Now the chalk if you say baha. How do you do it? So as it?
You put it means that you put box 1 red.
Yes.
And a box 2 yellow.
Yeah.
So into run here no. What the box 1 red, box 2. Okay, homework. I want to homework. I'm say for homework.
You friend homework no.
What am I for?
O say o papo.
Apo. Aka we liki apo no.
Me liki no. Ti mama box me no. Na me dey red asha na me dey yellow asha. 1% red box no. You see I be red box no be yellow. Na yellow box no so be red. The content no one pen also. What's the content no pe?
So you
So
put
does it mean say
Mami is simple unia yenyi label if you red no. Now you say a red yellow, but this time the person who yellow red simple. You the other one in a few. You label in a few labels now anymore. Any common in a few. No, come is in anyway. Now box 1, box 2 in a show.
Okay.
You winning any comments in a few.
Anyway,
yeah, you need a few. You back on the few. You're not saving. This is a red yellow. This is a pen yellow red. A pen yellow red.
Yellow red. That means a yellow never first, not red about down.
Exactly.
Okay.
In the way box 2.
And a cheap way, but why are they? A cheap way, but why are they?
Upon a leaky.
A cheap way, but why are they? Oh, swappy values, no. Swappy values, no. The way I can the a hack way, but that's not the right way. But
okay, show us the right way.
Now, I'm sure there's an assignment. And get on our way. We not correct answer, but at least a hack way.
Yeah.
Okay. You see, I know say the best thing is we introduce another box.
Okay.
Constant box 3.
Okay.
You know when is what the way abeshim? What the back box? Box 1 abeshim inside. Box 3 no pick box 1 and abeshim inside.
Okay.
So as you see, until box 1 here empty me wa. I say another constant. You know, you need to mean you so constant because so sign Eddie Baba sharing. It's not about a box 1 will be equals to box 3. Sorry, box 2. That's all. You see, I'm simple. I'm sure I said, why introducing new box? You see, I am out box 2, Bako red, na bako yellow. Open source swappy. It will be introducing new box. Now why empty bako? Eda shebako. Na empty one. What's on the bako? Na babe shebako. That's it.
Okay.
You see, I also declare box 3. Now they one have a share box. You see, box 1 empty. That's it. Box 1 to see because all the box 3. What the sorry, box 3 now create here. What the one have a share inside. I don't know. So what's the person here? Who create box 3?
Yeah.
Now they one be share. You see, 1 empty.
You see, box 3 equals box 1.
That's right. And I see until the box 2, you have a share box 1. So what's swapping? What I say? I don't know, say, make sense. What's swapping? What make it back empty? Why introducing new variable? And I'm making it empty. Okay, simple. I'm sure.
Yeah.
Unya, what I say? I'm sorry. What I say? Who says here your box 1? Yeah, the red share box 1. Yeah, the yellow share box 2. And now person will swap it. Person the yellow share 1. Now the red ever share 2. If you want to introduce a new box, which is box 3.
Box 3.
And now what the box 3? Box 3. What the box 1? I be shame this here box 1.
Okay.
And now for box 1. And now the box 2 ever share box 1. What's it? You see how save here? You're supposed to see yellow.
Okay. So box 3, no? The box 1 I say box 3.
Exactly.
Box 2 I say box 1.
Exactly.
Okay.
You see how save here yellow, red.
Okay.
Because box 1 A2 and a box.
Box 1 red. And a box 2 yellow.
That's right. You know what's your printing way box 1? You see a box 2 there.
You see a box 2 back yellow.
Save it here. Because I can't let you we be able to fix it. That's when you're error. Yeah. I can't wait yourself fix it. My first hand down here was also down there was constant. So it's up to you.
Console there no.
Console there no. But when I say finding ways of swapping them. That's it.
Hey, awesome.
Kakra. So I'll fix it back. When I could drink na your bra.
Yo, Mati.
So I introduce new box. So we'll swap it. But make sure someone for constant in map 1 and 2 because why are we that? Why declare my reader that? Anytime you are being introduced, we just bring only the box.
That's it.
All right.
Yampo. 12:30.
Okay.
Yeah, that was it.
All right. May I do
School for bye.
I just went this. So I see I was free.
Okay.
So be jam me so na mama end na mama.
I end obe film.
Timi na yo say me end no.
Yes, sir.
And then me hear film why.